We're standing here in front of the world's largest cuckoo clock here in Sugarcreek, Ohio.
Yeah.
They call it Little Switzerland. Yes, we did visit the world's largest cuckoo clock. Welcome to our 2021 summer road trip. Let's visit some amazing places together. In this video, we're going to visit the beautiful Swiss-inspired town of Sugarcreek, Ohio, where we will see the world's largest cuckoo clock. So come along with us. It's what they call Little Switzerland. You can see the mural up on the bank building across the street. Weird things, music, movies, and more. Weird teaks. It says weird teaks. Gospel shop. The Ohio Swiss Festival is October 1st and 2nd. We won't be here, we'll be in northern Wisconsin then. Take a walk this way. What do you think?
I don't know. Stairs.
Neat little town. World's largest cuckoo clock runs on the hour and half hour. 103 Main Street, East Main Street, Sugarcreek, Ohio. And that is the world's largest cuckoo clock.
Wow. Amazing.
We're standing here in front of the world's largest cuckoo clock here in Sugarcreek, Ohio.
Yeah.
They call it Little Switzerland. And this behind us is the world's largest cuckoo clock.
Yes. I like it.
And we're waiting for it to start, which is about 10 minutes away.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
You're going to get to see it. Kathy? Kathy? What'd you think of the show? What did you think of the show?
Pretty good.
It's the world's largest cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo clock.
The world's largest.
Really?
Yeah. World's largest cuckoo clock, and you were here to see it, Kathy.
Yes.
We hope you all enjoyed seeing it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. That really helps us out. Leave us a comment down below, and most importantly, so subscribe to our channel. Love you all.